Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView on your phone. First, download the TradingView app from your device's App Store. Once installed, you can easily log in with your existing account or create a new one in just a few steps. Take a moment to explore the intuitive interface. It's designed for quick navigation, helping you find what you need without hassle. Getting started is simple and straightforward. Once you're set up, dive into charting. TradingView offers various chart types, from detailed candlesticks to simple line charts, all optimized for mobile viewing. You can apply over 100 technical indicators to help analyze market trends, customizing them to fit your strategy. Drawing trend lines and other analysis tools is also precise, allowing you to mark key levels directly on your screen with ease. Managing your investments is simple with custom watch lists. You can create and organize lists of your favorite stocks, crypto, or other assets to keep a close eye on their performance. Setting price alerts is also crucial. Get instant notifications when an asset reaches a specific price point, ensuring you never miss a key market movement. Plus, your watch lists sync across all your devices. TradingView on your phone isn't just for analysis. You can execute trades directly through integrated brokers, making it a powerful tool for active traders. Beyond trading, connect with a vibrant global community of traders. Share your insights, learn from others, and discuss market ideas in real time. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to stay hydrated while you're on the go, keeping you focused and refreshed throughout your trading day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.